Manipuri culture, a making of all communities, says titular King Leisemba Sanajauba. Tamenglong ADC accused of embezzling huge amount meant for development. And Amit Shah says Center has double development projects in Mizoram. Hello and good evening. Welcome to Times of Manipur. This is HARIPRIYA giving you the news in details. Manipur Alliance for Child Rights and You Cry organized the 10 state-level Children's Cultural Meet 2019 at the Tribal Research Institute, Chingmairong, Imphal. Participating in the program, titular King of Manipur, Leisemba Sanajauba, stated that Manipuri culture is not defined only by Kambatoibi dance, Thangta and Lai Haraba festival, but it is a making of all communities from both the hills and valley. He further stated that today's children are the pillar of tomorrow's society and therefore they should be nurtured by infusing a spirit of nationalism and a sense of belongingness.
Trafficking Tabuk Suhanba, Lai Sumatic Chana Tamhandaba, Pazana Pizza Pitaktaba, Pazana Sana Handaba, Masiguma Mayam said, Equi, Ladiba, Sigumba, Side Raskidam, the Sili Songiva Sing, Aduga, State Government, Natraga Marilenaba, Natraga Masida Tawa Yova, individuals in Masida Equi, Agang Sing said, Kananaba, Equi Agang Sing said, Pazaba, Makona, Equi.
As a part of the event, 4 individuals were given Child Rights Award 2019 in recognition of their contributions in different fields. They were Thiam Raskishore, Chairperson of Child Welfare Committee, Imphal West, Additional Superintendent of Police, Na Thaunauzam Brinda, Journal Educational Officer, Zone 3, Thobal Arambam Anil Kumar, MES, and Editor of Imphal Times, Rinku Kumukcham. Lively cultural performances by children were the main highlights of today's program. Social activist NC Kadi Janbao today accused Autonomous District Council Tamenglong of misappropriating Rs 10 crore sanctioned by the government of developmental projects in Tamenglong districts. He was talking to reporters at Manipur Press Club Imphal, flanked by former chairman of Nurathen Lungjanang, social activist Pau Gaibao and Wicham Dinbao. NC Kadi Janbao said the ADC misused public funds sanctioned by the 3rd Manipur State Finance Commission and 14th Finance Commission in 2017 and 2018. He said the funds were meant for construction of inter-village road, public toilets, water reservoirs, waiting seats and other projects to be taken up at various locations of Tamenglong. He urged the authority concerned to look into the matter.
People's representatives say Kari Tauribno, Kari Thabak Tauribno, Tamenglong Autonomous District Council say public fund wiba developmental work center na Thadarapa, state na Kaitorapa port say are they going to continue to hijack the people's development fund? Masi say akoi question tawninge aduna masi say Athubu matamda concerned department authorities singna chapchaba action se makha tabsu lokhat piro mkhoi ngonda yengsinba changba yaba miring sisu tawiro habse akoi Tamenglong on behalf of the Tamenglong people, on behalf of the taukiba tauduba affected oibiba misingi.
Amit Shah, who arrived in Mizoram today for the first time after taking charge as the Union Home Minister, inaugurated the Northeast Handloom Handicraft Exhibition 2019 at Aizawl. The Union Home Minister Shah said the BJP-led government at the centre has doubled the development projects in Mizoram compared to what was done for the state by the Congress-led UPA government. The Northeast Handloom Handicraft Exhibition 2019 has been organized by the Northeast Council. Amit Shah, who is also the national president of the Bharatiya Janata Party, assured the people of Mizoram that Prime Minister Narendra Modi-led India government would extend every possible support to the Mizoram government for the development of the northeastern state. Amit Shah also had a meeting with Mizoram Chief Minister Zoramthanga. During the meeting, Mizoram Governor Professor Jagdish Mukhi and Assam Finance Minister, Northeast Democratic Alliance convener Himanta Biswa Sarma were also present. The Makhan People's Organization has deferred the proposed indefinite blockade on Imphal-Dimapur highway as Manipur Chief Minister N. Biren Singh has assured to name all culprits involved in the recent arson attack. Some 18 houses were set on fire by anonymous cranes at the village under Senapati district bordering Nagaland over a land dispute. MPO wants to put pressure on the state government through a highway blockade to fulfill their demand. In a release, the organization said it has postponed the blockade after assurance from the Chief Minister to meet their demand. Kangleipak Calendar Board Imphal today clarified that this year Ningol Chakoba Festival falls on 29th of this month. KCV Vice President Dr. Moirangthem Surjit informed this during a press meet at SICO office Imphal. He informed that the board has cleared the confusing surrounding the actual date of Ningol Chakoba this year through a proper study. The clarification from KBC, the apex body of calendar publication in Manipur, comes after some local calendars published 30th of this month as the date for Ningol Chakoba, one of the biggest festivals of Manipur.
Ningol Chakoba is ngalabada koi pung arapa bahuda pung tere ni pandai janabani kongsan babo the matam da yum da yum matam da di pung yam dravada mapantara da yum nabani paramasina aina Kangleipak Calendar Board mayamna asumasi tangkuma panda to view ado masi kagumba karada motopa hojiki laibak thiba haibadare de par adagi Manipur government gi asumba diary da tangkun try base laibak thiba haibaduni.
Now let's have a short break, but coming up, Customer Outreach Initiative program conducted by SBI concludes.
Presenting India's widest range of eco-friendly scooters, Okinawa Scooter. India's longest range and top speed of 75 km per hour. Powered by lithium-ion battery. Government of India famed to certified. Get advantage of deduction of 7% cut in GST for electric vehicle. Can be driven in rain and hill. High-speed electric scooters. Pollution-free vehicle. Smiles for miles, 20 paisa per kilometer. Smooth driving on hills and valley. Loan available. Financed by HDFC Bank. For details, please contact Okinawa Scooters Showroom, Wangi Services at Malom Bazaar, Imphal West, Manipur. Or contact us at 700-5830-142 or 87-877-23780.
Nupi aikoigidi khongthang khuding seksiningai ngaktani. Mafam matam khudimakta aina cheksinduna talakli. Adubu mahusai khongchatnina khudong thiningai atumak oi. Manipur ahan boina iramdam masida sajaba ningol khudo adu bunga sidia khoi chingna ningai oidre akhoi gi damak Bright Enterprises ki ningol khudo.
Welcome back. A two-day program on customer outreach initiative conducted by State Bank of India, Thoubal branch came to an end today at the DC office complex, Thoubal. A host of SBI and Thoubal district administration officials attended the closing function. As a part of the two-day program, a total of Rs 3 crore was sanctioned as loan by different banks to the applicants.
Customer Outreach Initiative ki phase 1 ni phase 2 so andak sahi da social pangthok sagani aduna henna phase 1 se successful oiragadi phase 2 pangthok pa matam da Thoubal district amasung Manipur as a whole da lairiba thaba phangudra ba agogi semilon da mateng pangado ba agogi economy da mateng pangado ba customer sing da bank mayam na kari kari loan piba yage amasung pigani haibasi henna mapung phana ba agogi bank sing tarap tagi yamna true belief true spirit ta khoi ngasi akogi saruk yajari aduga loan si lobu matam da akogi third party na agents kumba akogi dalal haigadra si kutang lakpi gano bank da lakpiu koi na bank na pisa bija loan pija basi koi sija tumja kaimta le jade corruption yaw na su piningi aduna customer sing na kaw da bida unaga do ba seng laba magi branch manager na traga akogi loan officer si unabi daga haiba loan form sing si lobiu.
Rongmeilu firm RLP has strongly condemned the recent rape of a minor girl at the center-run Regional Institute Medical Sciences, RIMS, Imphal. A press statement of RLP today termed the incident a heinous crime against humanity. The organization demanded befitting punishment for rape accused Suresh Thokchom. RLP also condemned RIMS for its alleged negligence and urged that the hospital authority should formulate necessary guidelines to avoid such incidents in future. Meanwhile, the Manipur Muslim Welfare Organization has condemned the recent rape incident at ECG room of Regional Institute of Medical Sciences, Imphal on October 3. Talking to media, convener of MMWO, MK Sophie, termed the incident as heinous and barbaric. He alleged that the crime happened due to negligence of the hospital authority. Sophie urged the authority for appointing a female lab technician for night shift at RIMS. She further demanded that prompt justice should be delivered to the victim and her family.
Anaba layeng balakpa nupi phoba safe side oidaba lamdam ama oirakpagi phibam ama uhalakliba mawong amana oirakliba asi RIMS authority na cheksinbada watpa amadi lab technician sing laubada nupi masing hantana laubagine loinana TH Suresh hairiba sa asina khwaidagi kanba logi chairak pigadabani loinana kanagumba lawyer sing na TH Suresh hairiba sa asigi favor da case lepi danaba appeal taujari.
Jiribam District Organization AMSU Jiri Imam Mera Paibi Punba Loop Kada the HARIPRIYA Thoba Ning Singh Loop. Jiribam organized a one-day discussion program on the theme Merger Agreement and its impact on present Manipur society at JMC Community Hall, Babupara, Jiribam today. Convener of Joint Committee on Inner Line Permit System JCILPS YK Dhiren Singh, President of United People's Front UPF, W2nd, Advisor of all Jiribam Working Journalists Union and Assistant Professor of Jiri College, Dr. Arun Kumar Mangang, spoke during the discussion as resource person. During the discussion, it was recalled that Manipur, which was a sovereign kingdom, was forcibly merged with the dominion of India on October 15, 1949, under a merger agreement signed between Bodha Chandra Singh, Maharaja of Manipur, and Vapal Panguni Menon, advisor to the Government of India in the Ministry of States at Shillong on September 21, 1949. Representatives of the other civil society organizations, including Mera Paibi organizations and student bodies, also attended the program. In connection with 64th Wildlife Week 2019, a state-level wildlife debating competition on the theme "Wildlife Threat Must Be Banned" a quiz competition was held today at the conference hall of Forest Head Office in Sanjentong, Imphal. Wildlife Wing of Forest Department organized the event in which several students took part. An oath-taking ceremony of the newly appointed chairperson of Kwakta Municipal Council, Ward Number 7, Minerzan, and Vice Chairperson of Ward Number 9, El Ibetombi, was held at the conference hall of Bishnupur DC office today. Deputy Commissioner of Bishnupur District, Nita Rambam, administered the oath. Councillors of the other wards were also present during the ceremony. Speaking on the sidelines of the event, DC Nita Rambam said the chairperson and the vice chairpersons were elected uncontested.
Sina last date oiba koina nomination received tawada ngarang bauta koina chairperson gi nomination ama khatang received tawjagi haibadi Srimati Minerzan, councillor ward number 7 matomda nomination file tawrabanina akoina mase uncontested oina declare tawjaraga ngasi huji wasak lojagre magi vice chairperson gi oina subnatagi nomination mi ama khatangna file tawraki haibadi Srimati Ibetombi Leima, councillor ward number 9 aduna ma matomda file tawrabanina akoina masu uncontested ne lojaraga akoina huji magi su wasak loba ama pangthok jagre aduna akoi anoba Kwakta Municipal Council gi chairperson amasung vice chairperson bu aina taramna congratulate tawjari aduga moi phajana thabak si pangthok pinaba tegi su best wishes pijari.
A voluntary blood donation camp and campaign was held today at the Department of Transfusion Medicine, Regional Institute of Medical Sciences, RIMS, Lamphel Park, commemorating the birthday of Laimayum Sachin Sharma. The event was organized by Life Savers Manipur Workers Integrated Network Society, WIN Foundation, under the sponsorship of Gurumayum Kiran, Chumthang Solution, Wangkai. Dr. Barindra Singh, Head of Department Blood, RIMS, Chaudhary Mayum Napa Thekpi, Santi Salam, Executive Editor, TOMTV, and international artist Dr. Yumnam Surendra Singh attended the blood donation camp, where 30 individuals donated blood.
Blood being a quite a pang beer, Kiva Mateng, at the Narak Yelapomatamda, E. Kappa have a semi, Madamium de Logduina, Yam the Tang Bokopan, Yam Kudong Tiba, Mam Tolakado, Oquina Angangsing Sassi, the Zuquina Tambi Horagadi, Man Hayang Tower, Matung, Aquamamas, Maito Bonina, Smaito, and Iso Hayang Tower, Sigma Mim, Ugi, Hibagi, Papa Wakalunda, Zangak Nabadamakasigi programs at Sinzaban.
Blood donation has an emergency service. It is done when asked or when it is required. Adubo, I urge each and every individual, eligible individual, to come forward and donate blood.
Now let's have another short commercial break. But coming up, Rongmei Naga Students Organization Guwahati organizes second Freshers Meet 2019.
Kadoriba Ningol Chakobada set in Nabagidamak, quality Lairaba, Ohoma Mamalda, Pinabagidamak, same Saduna Lairaba. Nagamapal Imakaitel opposite ki, first floor the Laiba, Showers Boutique Showroom. Inaki Oiba, Apama Makalgi, Firol Suna Pangadaba Showroom. Loinana, Christian Singi wedding the season aba, wedding gown to Mapamasida Pangbigel.
Nupika Taginatana, Angang Singamadi Jainski, pants, shirt, half pant, coat, vest coat, kurta, pajama, fajom, kurkul fajom, Amadi ready made fajom, Makal Suna Pangam. Yam nueva pao mana mafam masida adom adom gya pama design kuding makki order sulokjari. Amtang lengsin biro Kwai Brahmapur Nagamapal Imakaitel gi opposite gi fast food Leriba Service Boutique.
Red Sopa, an online store based on indigenous food items.
Iramdamgi oiba chanaba potlamsing online da Reshopper gi khuthangda laina khangbigani.
Delivers to all over India. Yamna thuba matamda delivery gi khudongchaba su fangbigani. Delhi gi oinadi iramdam gi oiba mana masing sing su fangbigani. Masida sunatana same day delivery gi khudongchaba su pijari.
Available for both Android and iOS.
Get 20% off on your first order. Download now for free.
Red Shopper. Get local.
Welcome back. Rongmainaga Students Organization Guwahati today organized the second Freshers Meet 2019 at LM Hall Council at Baptist Churches in Northeast Indian Campus, Pan Bazar, Guwahati. The function was attended by Namsinray Panmay, Chairman ADC Tamenglong, and IS Panmay, second in command Sasastra Simbal as SBS man guest. Pastor D. Lungthang Thoi opened the event with a prayer. One of the highlights of the event was felicitations of meritorious students. Several parents and guardians also attended the event. Assam Manipuri Sahitya Parisad Padum Pukhuri branch today held its annual general body meeting at Gauranagar in Hojai. The meeting discussed about the upcoming annual conference of Assam Manipuri Sahitya Parisad to be held in February at Lanka, Hojai. The Parishad flag was unfurled on the occasion where a poem recitation was also held. Retired principal of Sanskrit Veda Vidyalaya, Gauranagar M. Kalemba Sastri Kavi, Laren Lakpa Shruti Kumar, president of Padum Pukhuri branch, Hojai, Loitong Bambishwajit, and several others were present at the meet. The Indian Army's military exercise in Arunachal Pradesh has reportedly upset China. The Indian Army holds its biggest ever mountain combat exercise, Him Vijay, in Arunachal Pradesh, the first ever such drill in the northeastern state. China considers large parts of Arunachal Pradesh as part of South Tibet. 3 battle groups, each comprising 4,000 soldiers, are participating in the exercise at a height of 14,000 feet to 100 kilometers away from the line of actual control. The exercise is being carried out in phases in the upper reaches of Arunachal Pradesh near Tawang and will end on October 25. The exercises are being held at a time when Chinese President Xi Jinping is to visit India for the second informal meeting with Prime Minister Narendra Modi, likely in Mahabalipuram. At least 5 people were injured after suspected terrorists hurled a grenade outside the Deputy Commissioner's building in Jammu and Kashmir, Anantnag, early today. The grenade was hurled at the security forces stationed at the office of the Anantnag DC. However, the terrorists reportedly missed the target with the grenade exploding outside the office, injuring 5 people. Of the 5 injured, 3 have been critically injured in the attack. The Indian Space Research Organization ISRO has to find the fate of its Chandrayaan-2 lander Vikram on the moon and if it would be able to talk again, a US space expert said, according to a media report. Nothing that ISRO scientists have not given up on contacting the lander nearly a month after they lost contact with it in the early hours of September 7. Devaryok said they need to scan the data they got from it till the link snap. ISRO's Satellite Telemetry Tracking and Command Network Center post contact with Vikram when it was descending and was just 2.1 kilometers above the lunar surface. Though the Indian Space Agency has set up a national committee of experts to find what went wrong with Vikram to lose communication link with it in the last minute, it is yet to confirm its fate on the lunar surface near the South Pole in hostile conditions. The first ESC badminton tournament was kicked off today at the ESC Multipurpose Hall, Nongmeibung, Imphal. The tournament is organized by Eastern Students Club, Nongmeibung. Talking to media, President of the club, Ain Indrajit, said that the tournament aims to promote badminton players in the state. He added that the tournament will be held under veteran, under 40 and under 50 years categories. Indrajit also asserted that the tournament will be held in a bigger way in future.
Players masamu phaba khona ama oinabagi damakta adugi maikai da akoina sinjabani aduga sugum tournament ase mathang da su akoi as a routine work when club asina hena pak thok chok thongna grassroots level gi su akoina makha tana angang myam sembagi program se package chakni hana akoi makha tana thamjari.
Rohit Sharma scored a brilliant 127 from 149 balls in the second innings of Visakhapatnam Test against South Africa, his second in the match, to become the only player to register hundreds in its inning of the debut Test as opener. During his innings today, he surpassed Navjot Singh Sidhu's record of hitting most sixes in a Test for India and also Wasim Akram's records of 12 sixes in a Test. Sidhu had hit 8 sixes in a Test, while Rohit smashed a whopping 13 maximums. With this, he holds the record for most sixes in a match in all the formats for India. Before we close, let's see the top news headlines once again. Manipuri culture, a making of all communities, says titular King Leisemba Sanajauba. Tamenglong ADC accused of emblazing huge amount meant for development. And Amit Shah says Center has double development projects in Mizoram. That's all for the moment. Thank you very much for joining us and keep watching Times of Manipur News Update.